Dengan ini keluarga saya menyampaikan rasa terima kasih yang tak terhingga kepada keluarga Bapak Franky Tanujaya yang telah menyiapkan acara lamaran ini hingga dapat berlangsung dengan baik.
I've been looking for you this whole life long. Every other lover had done me wrong. You'd think I'd have been hopeless, but I held out nonetheless. With every bit of faith I had, I held on. Believing you were out there, it made me strong. And now that I have you, only one thing I wanna do, let's just make